Sapagkat ito ang ating kailangan. Kailangan natin hindi lamang ang pisikal na buhay. Ang kailangan natin ay ang spiritual na buhay. Thank God we are breathing at this moment. We are breathing. We are alive. But I also know a lot of people that even though they are physically alive, they are dying inside. Maybe you are one who is alive. You're here, but you are dying inside. You are dying from hopelessness. You are dying from desperation. You're beginning to lose your zest for life. You are ready to quit on life. Listen to me, my dearest kababayan and ladies and gentlemen. If you will give the Word of God a chance to work in your life, it's gonna prove itself to be powerful, to be life-changing, to be powerful enough to save you. Ang magliligtas sa atin, ang mag-aahon sa atin mula sa kadiliman, mula sa kawalan ng pag-asa ay ang salita ng Diyos.